Looking for an easy cast-on that lets you move smoothly into ribbing? Try the alternating long tail cast-on. Begin with a slip knot on the needle, leaving a long tail 3 times the length of your final piece. Set your hands slingshot style, like for a standard long tail cast-on, with the tail over your thumb and the working end over your pointer finger. The slip knot counts as your first knit stitch. Next, you'll cast on a purl stitch. Bring the needle tip up through the loop on your index finger, catching the outside finger strand that runs from your finger down into your palm. Bring the needle tip towards you and catch the inside thumb strand of yarn that runs from the needle to your thumb. Now move the needle tip back down through the loop on your finger, bringing the thumb yarn with it to form the new stitch. Release the loop of yarn from your finger and snug it up under the base of the new stitch. Return to your starting position and cast on a knit stitch, which is a standard long tail cast-on stitch. Reset back to your starting position. Alternate 1 purl stitch with 1 knit stitch until you have the required number of stitches on your needle. Though we've demonstrated with knit 1 purl 1 ribbing, you can cast on in whatever ribbing sequence you desire. This cast on eliminates the purl bumps which appear at the base of the wrong side knit columns when using a standard long tail cast on for ribbing. This cast on is also stretchier than the standard long tail cast on, so there's no constriction at the base of the ribbing. Try it out in your next ribbed project and let us know how you like it in the comments.